Hi there, this is my look, and I'm going to try and pick this Ruko on camera for the first time. I've had a couple of opens from it, but every time I've got the camera rolling, it just doesn't want to play. So we'll see how we can do it this time. It's a hold on, key. It's a 5-pin with pretty good bitting. It's got some lows and a really high at the end there. It's got the ASSA barrels, but it's lacking the milling. But yeah, I'm still cutting my teeth on these ASSA Ruko style locks. Still getting the feel for them. Felt a little bit of movement there. It's just the movement on the core is just tiny. It's there we go. Oh. So that's the Ruko 5-pin. Oh, I hope that was in focus. I hope that was in focus. Oh well, we'll damn it, that went out of focus and I never noticed because I was too busy fixated by the lock. So we've definitely got the open there. I've got the key, so I'll lock it back up. We've got a wide angle. I'll angle it down a wee bit. And where's my circlip remover? There are big chunky circlips on these locks. Not quite. So yeah, the first open I got from this lock was probably about 2:30, 3 o'clock this morning. Late night picking session. I felt I was actually getting somewhere with it, so I didn't want to go to bed. Got it open, and then of course today I've been trying to repeat it. So I've had a few a few picking sessions on and off today. That's, and there we go. So all standard key pins. We'll tip them out and have a look. Standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, 4, and very short standard in 5. And we'll see if we can get a close up there. There's no counter milling. No counter milling at all. Yeah. And there we go. Where's my pinning tweezers? And there we go. Pin 1 is a barrel spool. 2 is another. 3. 4. And there we go. And all the normal fairly stiff steel springs you would expect in an ASSA or a Ruko. So we'll have a closer look at these pins. And so it's yeah, I'm amazed at, even without the milling, how tricky those pins are. But I think it's getting the tension right. I think you need fairly stiff tension right up until you get to the shallow spool part. Because it's so shallow, you don't get a lot of movement, so there's not a huge amount of feedback. And then that sharp lip just seems to catch, so you have to back off the tension slightly. There we go. 5-pin Ruko. Like I say, I've had a 600 with milling and no spools, and now I've got a 500 with spools but no milling. So, and it's the wrong milling in the 600 for those spools. So, yeah. Excellent. Well, cheers everybody. Thanks for watching.